Alright, hello, this is Packet Tracer Activity 6.2.5, assigning IP addresses for Discovery 4 section of classes. So, basically, they want us to assign IP addresses to these routers and hosts. I have here on the right IP addresses and subnet masks for routers for each interface, and I also have the hosts. What this means is I assigned IP addresses 172.16.0.2 through 6. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And obviously the dot 1 is reserved for the gateway. So 172.16.0.1 and etc. So let's just go through and do that. Control Shift 6. Yeah. T IP int SE0/0/0, and we want to do IP address 209.168.101.1, 255.255.255.2.2. No shut, and it'll say it's down until we get the other link up. So let's go to the next one. 0/1 and IP address 209.168.101.5. Oops. 255. Why do we want a subnet mask? Okay, now shut. It'll say it's down. Int SE0/1/0. IP address 209.1668. Okay, yeah. I just thought I had done other ones wrong. Okay, no shut. And interface down. Okay. So, configured router 1. It's still all red because, like I said, gotta configure these ones. So, let's go in. And let's do FA. Well, let me just start with serial. I'll just do it all in order. 172.16.0.1, 255.255.224.0. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Alright, and let's do 0/0/0. IP address. Happy St. Patty's Day, by the way. 209.168.101.10. 5.2. Shut. Oops. No sut. Okay, so yeah, now you can see the interface, the serial one just came up. So let's move on to router 3 and T into FA0/0, IP address 172.16.0.1, 255.224.0. Shut. Int SE0/0/0, 209.IP address 209.168.101.6. And all of these serial ones have the same subnet mask, so that's easy enough to remember. I got the next one here. Alright, let's go on. It's getting exciting, right? I know. I get ahead of myself. Okay. Int 36.1 0 class C. Int SE0/0/0 IP address 209.168.101.10. You build a drill, and it is up. Awesome. So we have all these routers configured. Now we're going to go through and just, I wonder if we can use the, there we go. This is the easy way. Oh, I just got a text message. I'm so popular. 2. Default gateway is 172.16.0.1. Just grab that, copy it so that we don't have to put it in every single device. 172.16.0.3. This one's different, but it's the same really. 172.16.0.4. Subnet mask fills itself in. Class B. 6.0.5. Is that where we are? Yeah, I think so. Default gateway. Desktop. 2.16.0.6. There we go. So those should all be configured. Now let's configure this here. 172.16.32.2. Default gateway. There we go. IP address 172.16.32.3. Okay. 172.16.32. That. And finally 6. Okay. Now let's move on to this one. So 2.16.36.2 default gateway. So 2.16.36.3. Okay, 4. 6. Feels like my computer's going to explode, so I'm trying to go quick. Not exactly sure why. Might be doing updates or something. Alright, so the network should be completely configured with IP addresses. Okay, maybe not. I wonder if I can change this. I think I know that I did wrong. I wasn't putting the gateway in right, so. Or the subnet. What is this? 224? Hold on. Let's figure this out. Yeah, this one. Okay. This is 252. I know you wanted to go through this again. It's so exciting. And 255. Alright. 74, 76. Can I get 100? Okay, can't imagine what went wrong. Let's check default gateway. Mostly default gateways. Alright, so I figured out the issue is just that I used the wrong IP address scheme, not the one that Packet Tracer wanted me to use. It did set up the network, but it's not set up the way that Packet Tracer wanted it. So, there you go. Use the correct scheme, and it should work just fine. I'm done with this one. Alright, thanks.